Welcome to this special presentation about the Canadian government's commitment to supporting small and medium-sized businesses. The government is providing $4 billion in funding to enhance digital evolution. The business landscape is constantly evolving, and technology plays a major role in shaping its future. However, adapting to these changes can be challenging for small and medium-sized businesses. This is where the Canadian government is stepping in to help these businesses thrive in a digital world through the Canadian Digital Adoption Program. That's where ACT360 comes in. We're a team of digital experts dedicated to helping Canadian businesses with their digital transformation journey. Our goal is to provide businesses with the support they need to take advantage of the $4 billion in funding provided by the Government of Canada. Our process starts with a deep dive into your existing processes and technology. We look for areas where technology can help mitigate threats or capitalize on opportunities. Then, we design a custom digital strategy for your business using the information gathered, including expected timelines, required resources, technology platforms, and guidance on the next steps. We've helped countless businesses just like yours achieve their digital transformation goals. Our team of experts is eager to help you make every dollar of. So don't wait. Let us know if you're ready to start your digital transformation journey. We're here to help.